The Nike Air Diamond Turf 2 Reverse colorway stays true to Deion Sanders' cross-training legacy by combining durable, functional materials with a bold retro presentation. The upper is primarily constructed from leather and nubuck, providing structure, long-term durability, and a premium feel that reflects its 1990s roots. These materials also help stabilize the foot during lateral movement, a key requirement for turf and training use. Select areas feature mesh panels, which improve breathability and slightly reduce weight without compromising support. A defining element of the shoe is the hook and loop midfoot strap, designed to enhance lockdown and ensure a secure fit during quick cuts and multi-directional motion. Underfoot, the shoe uses a foam midsole with Nike Air cushioning, delivering impact protection and everyday comfort. Completing the build is a durable rubber outsole with a multi-directional traction pattern, offering grip and stability on both turf and urban surfaces. Together, these materials balance performance heritage with modern lifestyle wearability.